Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk to you about quercetin, a very powerful antioxidant. This flavonoid is found in many fruits and vegetables and has many health benefits. To start, what can quercetin help treat? It is widely used to relieve allergy symptoms such as allergic rhinitis and is also said to help lower inflammation. In addition, some studies suggest that it could be good for the heart and blood pressure. And how does it work? Quercetin is an antioxidant. That means it helps fight free radicals that we have in our body. These free radicals can damage cells and contribute to long-term diseases. By neutralizing them, quercetin helps protect our long-term health. Now let's talk about how it is taken and in what dosage. For adults, it is usual to start with a dose of 500 milligrams once or twice a day. The dose taken afterwards may vary, but is usually between 500 and 1,000 milligrams per day. It is best to take quercetin with meals for better absorption. Like any supplement, quercetin can have side effects. Some of the most common are headache and stomach discomfort. It is very important to talk to a doctor before you start taking it, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking other medication. To summarize, quercetin is a very powerful antioxidant with many health benefits. Don't forget to always check with your doctor before starting any treatment. I hope you found this information useful and now have a better understanding of how and when to use quercetin. See you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.